Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Deanna Nicole, and it has been a minute since I've been on here. And y'all, like, I'm not gonna hold you. I've been going through a lot of spiritual warfare, and it's been super heavy, like super heavy. And I'm not gonna tell you no lies. Like, it's been days where I haven't really been praying like I'm supposed to. But I feel like now I'm getting back on track. You know what I mean? So, what I want to come and say, I just want to come and say, like, if y'all having a hard time right now, y'all already know, like, we're living in the last days. And the devil is working harder than ever to distract you, to throw you off your path. Just know that stay rooted in the Lord. I got to get back into journaling like I used to do every night. I got to get back into praying like I was doing. It's a lot of things, like, y'all just have no idea. But I think for the most part, I feel like I'm getting back there. Spending more time with the Lord, of course, and not going astray, y'all, because people who do not know the Lord don't even not saying don't talk to these people, but don't just invest yourself into people who aren't on the same spiritual wave as you, who's not going to where you're trying to go to. If they're not at your level or higher, and it's not fruitful, you don't see any fruit, you don't see them just equally yoked with you, don't even waste your time, honestly. And like I said, and it's cool to plant your, not saying, judge people, but it's cool to plant your seeds from a distance, still love them from a distance, but just don't put all your time and investing in this to fixing and building someone to believe in the Lord, because at the end of the day, if that's what the Lord wants, the Lord is going to do it. You don't have to do that. And that's what I be trying to remind myself, because the Lord made me a lover. He made me love and light. So it's the type of person I am. I'm a giver. So I be wanting the best for people, and I want people to prosper. And the love of the Lord is so amazing, how he blesses me, how he wakes me up every day, how I'm still surviving in this world, Lord. And I just want to tell you thank you. And people just don't, everybody have to encounter God on their own timing. It has to be an experience individually, all of us as a people have to go through. Because at the end of the day, when you can't depend on nobody, when all else fails, you got to get on your knees and call on the Lord, like, because he hears you. He wants us to worship him. He wants us to give him all the praise. He wants us to be in his word day and night. And he wants to bless us. He wants to give us the promise that give us the promise that he been promising our ancestors and generation from generation. But we are the generation to receive it, So, yeah. So right now, all I'm about to do is get into this hair. It's time for me to change it up. I had this wig. People love my wig. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, this is my little balayage wig I did on myself. That was my first time doing a balayage. I think I did pretty well. People be telling me my hair look like Beyonce or whatever. But if y'all want to see that video, y'all can check out. I think it's some videos down, but I will put the link in the description. And so today, I bought this hair off Amazon, matter of fact. So I have a 20-inch, not frontal, closure. I have a 20-inch closure that I got off Amazon, and I will put that in the link below. They gave me a wig cap. They gave me some lashes. And these are MAC lashes. They gave me MAC lashes. Interesting. And this hair is by KRN Hair. And no, they are not sponsoring me, but I'm just going to do a review on it just to show you that if this Amazon hair is legit. So I did buy some bundles, but of course the bundles and the closure, they came separate, of 2 different companies, because the bundles I bought, I wanted to try it because they had like 5 stars on Amazon, but they didn't have like a closure or anything to go with it. So I had to go and find my own closure, and it's a 5x5 closure. And pretty much it looks like this. And they put their phone number on here, and I'm pretty sure it's from China. It's like a +86 number. If y'all have WhatsApp, you can definitely contact your vendors through WhatsApp. So, all right, y'all. So I want to show y'all this frontal because I'm going to dye the knots first. It's pretty much, I have this closure, the 5x5, which I am about to bleach the knots now. But I definitely want to show y'all what it looks like coming straight out the package. This is how long it is, and it's giving. I like that it's full and thick in the front, and also it's supposed to be HD, and I love HD because I don't want no detection of my lace. But this is how it looks before I bleach the knots. And they give you like a little bit of baby hair, but I know I'm probably gonna pluck this a little bit more because I want my hairline to look natural, and I'm gonna give myself a closure sew-in. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. But this is just how it looks. 20-inch. I was gonna get a 22 because I believe my bundles I bought, I think they're like 22, 24, 26, 28. I bought an extra bundle just in case, because y'all know the longer the bundle, the less the width. So yeah, this is how it looks. And I'm finna bleach these knots, so I'm gonna come back. Oh, let me show y'all these bundles real quick. So these are the bundles that I purchased off Amazon as well, and we're gonna get into it. So this is the bag that it came in. It says, "Thank you for choosing us, 100% human hair and best quality." And I believe I got it from like Moni's Hair. I had seen it. It had like 5-star reviews on it. And I was like, okay, let me try it. And I definitely wanted to go for something longer because I haven't, well, this hair kind of long. But I had never had a 28-inch before. So it comes in the bag like this. They had like little rubber bands on it. I had kind of took them off. I bought this probably like 2 weeks ago. So it's a little bit because I kind of stuck it back in the bag, but I'm going to wash the hair first. So it's definitely true to length. I have a 22, a 24, 26, and a 28. And I'm going to take it out the pack so y'all can see. So this is a 22-inch. And they say it's 100% human. And y'all know how like when y'all purchase bundles, it'll have like the little strings in there, little pink strings, little green strings. This one actually, I didn't see any strings at all, so it may be legit. And it's like how it's cut at the bottom. It seems like it was cut. Definitely gotta pray over this hair because you don't know what it went through. But I'm gonna pray over this hair. So, but like as y'all can see, I'm gonna show y'all. No strings. Like I was really looking for that because I feel like when they put those strings in there, they be adding like different hairs and synthetics and different things into the bundles. But I didn't see anything, and it's super thick. The 22-inch, and this is how the width looks. So this is 22, and I'm gonna kind of put all of them together so y'all can see how it looks. I'm definitely gonna leave a review for them too. And no, they're not sponsoring me, but I just want to show y'all where y'all can get y'all hair if y'all like need it quickly. I literally ordered. I'm an Amazon Prime member, so I literally ordered this hair like the night before, and it came the next day. I'm not even telling you no stories. And yeah, this is the 28. So we're gonna put it right here. Ooh, I'm excited. But all together, this is how the hair looks. And I like it. So yeah. So I just finished bleaching the knots, and I'm letting it sit for like 22 minutes. I'm gonna tell y'all what I use. I have so many videos of me bleaching my closures and my frontals. So You can definitely check those out on my page if y'all want to know how to do it. But I'm going to tell you the products that I use to do it. So I'm definitely using the Collider Colors in the blue. And this is for dark hair anyway. So I definitely love using Collider Colors on dark colored hair. And I also use the 30 volume developer. So it can have a lift of like a brownish tint as far as like how my scalp is really. And so that way it can make it look more natural, and it'll look just like scalp, like you can't even tell. All right, y'all, so this is how it looks after I have bleached it. Y'all see how the knots are super brown? I wanted to get in the sunlight so y'all could see. Y'all see the inside scalp? Y'all can't tell me. So this closure is very legit. It's very nice. Very little shedding, so I do love the closure. Okay, so this is the before. This is how I do my braid down. So I kind of went to the side a little bit. Don't mind that, I had my wig on earlier. And in the back, you can see how I got it braided up. I'm gonna put the last strap on this back row. And we just gonna kind of work our way up. So yeah, I'm about to take this closure. I had kind of pre-plucked the front a little bit. Before I put it on, I'm kind of gonna cut the tabs over. But yeah, I want y'all to see how this is going to look when it's done.
Hey, child of God, I'm defeating all lies. Lonely up top, yeah, I'd rather ring squad. I ain't clocked out, yeah, I'm still on my job. Yeah, still on my. I'm a child of God, I'm defeating all lies. Lonely up top, yeah, I'd rather ring squad. How can I hide when I'm really outside? And I done seen it all above, the hate, the love, the fake handshakes, the genuine hugs. It is what it is, yeah, was what it was. I done really lost friends, that's what success does. Hey, who I'm supposed to cry to, I try to. You ever wonder why you? Cause I do. I check on my strong friends, they got a life too. No matter the battle, baby, I'm right beside you, yeah. Lost in my fate, hard to relate. Forgive me for my sins, all the hearts that I break. Wish I was on, now I'm getting off with the grace. I guess you gotta win on them losses you take, right? Hey, child of God, I'm defeating all lies. Lonely up top, yeah, I'd rather ring squad. I ain't clocked out, yeah, I'm still on my job. Yeah, still on my. I'm a child of God, I'm defeating all lies. Lonely up top, yeah, I'd rather ring squad. How can I hide when I'm really outside?
Tremble, praise the Lord till I lose my voice. Fail to plan, then you lose by choice. I let go of the wheel and let him choose my course. Blessings hit me in my face like a 2x4. We know when they free Smokey, he gon' rule by force. Ain't no gangsta alive that can cool my torch or can press my line. I could shoot half court. Do a tray flip, but don't land on a 4-yard. You can roll it up, we just seen your report card. Tiny squabble up and newborn got dumb heart. Infants, I'm like O-Dog on that one part. Till this day I deal with those flashbacks. I'm from where you blast first or you're getting cracked at. Big piece of weaponry in a little backpack. When you said you were jointed, you meant in every aspect, right?
Protect me from evil, love who I love, but sometimes it can be your own people. I ain't never told, I can tell who deceitful. Destined to win all them L's underneath you. I can tell if it's real in it. I won't sit with no seal with it, I don't wanna deal with it. This foundation can't crack, I'm still building it. You ain't gotta understand, but you will get it.
Big trophy.